Hello, my dear friends. Today I'm going to show you how to solve this nice Olympiad maths problem. So, we have been asked to simplify this mathematical equation. On the other hand, you have to find out the value of this mathematical equation. Here, how I am going to solve this problem. I will take this whole expression equal to y. So, y equal this whole expression. Then if you look at this whole expression carefully, you will be able to find out this part here, this part, and this part. These both parts are same. So I will take this part as x, then this part also x. Then I will rewrite this equation, this expression like y equal 1 over 2 plus again 1 over this part is x plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1 plus again 1 over this part is x. Now I am going to solve this equation y equal 1 over, if I simplify this part, it will become 2x plus 1 over x plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over, then I'm going to simplify this part, x plus 1 over x. Then y equal, so we can rewrite this whole part x over 2x plus 1 plus 1 over 1 plus, we can rewrite this whole part x over x plus 1. Now y equal x over 2x plus 1 plus 1 over, I'm going to simplify this part, x plus 1 plus s over x plus 1. Y equal x over 2x plus 1 plus 1 over x plus x, 2x plus 1 over x plus 1. Y equal x over 2x plus 1 plus, now we can rewrite this whole fraction like this, x plus 1 over 2x plus 1. Now y equal, so denominator is 2x plus 1, here also 2x plus 1, we can simplify this into this 2x plus 1, x plus x plus 1, x plus x, 2x plus 1 over 2x plus 1. So here numerator and denominator are same, so the answer is 1. So our final answer is y equal 1. So y is this whole mathematical expression. So if we solve this whole mathematical expression, it will become equal to 1. Thank you for watching.